Does your heart race at the thought of an upcoming meeting? Do you feel a knot in your stomach when stuck in traffic? You are not alone. Millions of people worldwide navigate the waves of anxiety every day. Welcome to Case Calm Kit, where today we dive into simple yet powerful techniques to manage anxiety, making tranquility accessible to everyone every day. Anxiety isn't just a fleeting feeling, it's a common challenge that impacts all aspects of life. But what if you could turn the tide on anxiety with tools you already possess? Today, we will explore straightforward strategies designed to quiet your mind and soothe your spirit. From breathing techniques that anchor you in the now to simple shifts in your daily routine that can significantly reduce anxieties, we have you covered. Stay with us as we uncover these life-changing methods that promise not just to manage anxiety, but to transform your approach to it. Let's reclaim peace together. Anxiety is more than just feeling stressed or worried. It is a pervasive condition that can affect every aspect of your life. Let's break down what it really means to experience anxiety and what triggers it. At its core, anxiety is the body's natural response to stress. It's a feeling of fear or apprehension about what's to come. Common triggers include major life changes such as starting a new job, financial concerns, or family issues. Even everyday situations like meeting deadlines or personal conflicts can spark anxiety. Philosophically, anxiety activates your fight or flight system, flooding your body with hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. This causes the physical symptoms we often associate with anxiety: rapid heartbeat, sweating, shaking, and even gastrointestinal distress. Psychologically, anxiety can cloud your thinking, making it difficult to concentrate or make decisions. It can lead to feelings of dread, panic, or impending doom. Over time, if not managed, chronic anxiety can significantly wear down your mind and body, leading to emotional burnout and physical exhaustion. Understanding anxiety is the first step toward managing it effectively. By recognizing the triggers and knowing the symptoms, you can take proactive measures to regain control and maintain your mental and physical health. Breathing exercises are a powerful tool for immediately reducing anxiety. Today, we will focus on 4 effective techniques that you can use anytime, anywhere to regain calm and control. Let's dive in. First, the 4-7-8 breathing technique. This involves breathing in for 4 seconds, holding the breath for 7 seconds, and exhaling for 8 seconds. It's especially good for reducing anxiety quickly and helping you sleep better. Next is diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Breathe in deeply through the nose, ensuring that the diaphragm inflates with enough air to create a stretch in the lungs. Slowly exhale and repeat. This technique helps reduce the fight or flight response, calming your entire body. Third, we have alternative nostril breathing. This involves closing off one nostril, inhaling through the open nostril, then closing it off and exhaling through the other nostril. This method is great for balancing the body and calming the mind. Lastly, simple deep breathing can be profoundly relaxing. Focus on slow, deep breaths to increase the supply of oxygen to your brain and stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting a state of calmness. These techniques are just the beginning. To explore more about how mindfulness and breathing can help manage anxiety and stress, check out our detailed playlists on mindfulness and stress management. You will find everything you need in the description below, or click the pop-up at the top right of the screen to watch them later. These resources are designed to help you deepen your understanding and enhance your ability to cope with anxiety. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful practices for anchoring your thoughts in the present and dissipating anxiety. Let's explore a simple mindfulness exercise you can do anywhere, followed by insights on how regular meditation can transform your anxiety management. Start with a basic mindfulness exercise called mindful observation. Choose any object around you. It could be a plant, a cup of coffee, or even your own hands. Focus all your attention on this object. Observe it without judgment, noting its color, shape, texture, and any other qualities. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to the object. This practice helps bring your attention back to the present, easing anxiety by interrupting worry about the past or the future. Next, let's discuss the benefits of regular meditation. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine can profoundly impact your anxiety levels over time. Meditation teaches you to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, creating a state of calm awareness. Over time, this practice can help decrease your overall anxiety levels, improve your emotional resilience, and enhance your general well-being. Meditation doesn't require special equipment or hours of time. Even a few minutes daily can make a significant difference. Start with short sessions where you focus on your breath or use guided meditation to help you along. The key is consistency. The more you meditate, the more you will feel its benefits. Both mindfulness and meditation are like training for your brain, helping you control the influx of anxiety by strengthening your mental resilience. With regular practice, you can transform your response to stress and lead a calmer, more focused life. Physical activity is an excellent way to combat anxiety. It's not just about fitness, it's about clearing your mind and boosting your mood. Let's dive into how regular movements can significantly reduce anxiety symptoms and what activities you can start today, no gym required. Exercise releases endorphins, chemicals in your brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. Regular physical activity also helps normalize sleep, which can be severely disrupted by anxiety. This can create a cycle of well-being where good sleep decreases stress and decreased stress improves sleep. For those without a gym membership, there are plenty of effective exercises you can do anywhere. Walking is a fantastic low-impact activity that can significantly reduce stress levels. Just 30 minutes a day can make a big difference. If you prefer something with a bit more intensity, try routines like yoga, Pilates, or simple bodyweight exercises like push-ups, sit-ups, and squats, which can be done in your living room or a local park. Another great option is dancing. Put on your favorite music and dance around your home for fun, spontaneous workout. Not only does it reduce anxiety, but it also injects a dose of joy into your day. Integrating physical activity into your daily routine doesn't need to be a chore or require heavy investments. It's about finding joyful ways to move your body and clear your mind. As you begin to incorporate more activity in your life, you will likely notice not just a decrease in anxiety, but an overall enhancement in your quality of life. Your environment has a profound impact on your mental state. By making a few intentional changes to your surroundings, you can create a space that significantly reduces stress and fosters relaxation. Let's explore how you can transform your personal spaces into serene retreats. First, consider the power of scents. Aromatherapy can play a crucial role in reducing anxiety. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood are known for their calming properties. Using a diffuser or scented candles can help soothe your nerves and promote a sense of peace. Lighting also plays a key role in creating a calming environment. Harsh fluorescent lighting can increase anxiety and discomfort. Opt for softer, warmer lighting such as lamps with dimmable options, or even string lights that provide a gentle glow. During the day, maximize natural light as much as possible, as it can boost your mood and improve your sleep at night. Managing noise levels is another essential aspect. If you find yourself in a noisy environment, consider using noise-canceling headphones or a white noise machine to block out distracting sounds. Alternatively, playing soft, soothing music or nature sounds can also help create a tranquil atmosphere. Each of these elements, scent, lighting, and noise, can be adjusted to create a more calming environment in your home or workspace. Experiment with different combinations to find what best helps you relax and reduce anxiety. Remember, the goal is to create a space that feels like a personal retreat where you can unwind and recharge. Cognitive behavioral techniques, or CBT, are powerful tools for tackling anxiety by changing the way you think and react to stressors. These strategies can help you identify, challenge, and alter negative thought patterns that contribute to anxiety. One effective CBT strategy is thought challenging. This involves examining your anxious thoughts to see how realistic they are. For example, if you find yourself worrying excessively about failing at work project, ask yourself, what evidence do I have that I will fail? What have I accomplished in similar situations before? This helps you view the situation more realistically and reduces anxiety. Another technique is cognitive reframing, which involves changing your perspective on anxiety-inducing situations. Let's say you are anxious about public speaking. Reframe this. Instead of thinking, I'm going to embarrass myself, try thinking, this is an opportunity to share what I know and improve my speaking skills. Reframing helps reduce anxiety by shifting your focus from fear to a constructive mindset. Mindfulness-based cognitive therapy combines mindfulness practices with cognitive therapy to help you become more aware of the present moment while dealing with negative thoughts. Practicing mindfulness can help you recognize when you are slipping into negative thought patterns and provide you with tools to gently redirect your thoughts. By regularly practicing these cognitive behavioral strategies, you can significantly lower your anxiety levels. These techniques empower you to take control of your thoughts, directly addressing the mental aspects of anxiety. Managing anxiety on your own with techniques like mindfulness or exercise is effective, but there are times when professional help is needed. Recognizing the signs that indicate the need for professional intervention is a critical step in taking care of your mental health. Signs that you might need to seek professional help include feeling overwhelmed or helpless, experiencing anxiety that is not alleviated by your usual coping mechanisms, or noticing that your anxiety is interfering with your daily activities, relationships, or work performance. If your anxiety leads to physical symptoms like chronic insomnia, palpitations, or prolonged tension headaches, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider. These symptoms can exacerbate your anxiety and create a cycle that is hard to break without professional assistance. It is essential to understand that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Mental health professionals are trained to help you navigate your feelings and provide strategies that are tailored to your specific needs. Remember, you are not alone on this. Millions of people seek help for anxiety every day, and finding the right support can lead to significant improvements in your quality of life. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you are struggling. It could be the most important step you take. If you are considering professional help, start by talking to your primary care physician or a mental health specialist. They can guide you to the appropriate resources and support systems. There is no shame in seeking help. It's an important step toward taking back control of your life. As we conclude our journey through simple techniques to alleviate anxiety, remember that each strategy we've shared today offers a step toward regaining control and finding peace. From breathing exercises to cognitive reframing, creating calming environment to physical activity, each method has the potential to significantly ease your anxiety. We encourage you to try these methods and discover what resonates best with your lifestyle and needs. Anxiety management is deeply personal, and what works for one person might differ for another. Embrace this journey with an open mind and a commitment to self-care. Now we would love to hear from you. Share your experiences and any additional tips you have for managing anxiety in the comments below. Your insights not only help us tailor our contents, but also support a community of like-minded individuals striving for mental wellness. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit from these techniques, and subscribe to Case Calm Kit for more resources on navigating mental health. Don't forget to check out our playlist and other videos, which are designed to be your toolkit for managing day-to-day life challenges effectively. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, taking steps to manage anxiety is a sign of strength, not a weakness. You are not alone in this journey, and with each small step, you are moving towards a happier, healthier you. Stay connected, stay informed, and keep striving for a life filled with peace and positivity. Until next time, take care and keep cultivating calm in your life with K's Calm Kit. Much love.